Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow camera access in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, go to the phone home screen and open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and here you can see an app. Tap on it. Scroll down the list of apps until you see Zoom or Zoom Workplace. Just tap on it to open the Zoom app settings. Look for the camera option in the list. If the switch is gray, that means the camera access is off. Tap the switch to turn it green. That means camera access is now allowed. Now go back to your home screen and open the Zoom app. Once you are on your home screen, join or start a meeting to check if your camera is working. Once you are in the meeting, tap the start video icon at the bottom of the screen. You should now see yourself and others in the meeting. And that's it. You have now allowed camera access for Zoom Workplace mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.